Thank you for calling Vanquis Bank. Speaking, how can I help you?
Hello, so I'm calling because I overpaid my credit card and I was looking to get the positive balance refunded. Can you do that?
You said you overpaid on the account?
That's right.
Okay. Can you please confirm your full name, date of birth, as well as your address so that I can access the account?
Okay, so my full name is Clyde.
And your date of birth?
My date of birth is...
And your address, including postcode? So let me just check. So I can see that there is a credit for £3,074.98. So you want us to refund this back to your account?
Yes, into whatever my debit card is.
Alright, so that's the reason that you paid over and you made payment of 4,000. What was the reason for that?
It's a balance transfer.
Okay. So now you want 3,074.98 refunded back to your account.
That's right.
Right. So before we can process this refund, I need you to confirm the telephonic password that is set up on the account. And there are 3 attempts at this password. But I don't need the full password. I'm only looking for 3 characters of the password. Character 3, 4, and 7.
Okay.
And you have 3 attempts at this password.
Okay, so for the memorable word, letter 3 would be, letter 4 would be...
Letter 7. Thank you so much for passing security. Let me go ahead and process the refund. Can you please provide me with the account number and the sort code? And this account is yours? It's a personal account detail?
It is, yes.
Please hold the line for me so that I can process the refund.
Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Hi, Clyde.
Hello.
Thank you so much for holding the line for me, Clyde. So I have processed the refund for £3,074.98, and then it's going to reflect in your bank account within 5 to 7 working days.
Okay, that's lovely. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Clyde. So is there anything else that you want me to check on the account?
No, that's it. What was your name again?
My name is...
How do you spell it? Lovely. I'll leave a positive review for you whenever we end the call.
Thank you so much, Clyde. So is there anything else that you want me to check?
That's all, thank you. And that's how you do it, guys. What I was able to do was I extracted capital out from my Barclaycard, which was over £4,000, and I transferred it into my Vanquis credit card. And I had a debt of over £900 in Vanquis, so I pretty much overpaid my debt, which caused my account to have a positive balance. I phoned up Vanquis and I asked them to refund me the excess capital, the positive balance, directly into my bank account. And that's how I was able to acquire just over £3,000. And since this money is debt, it's all tax-free. I just have to pay it all in full after 18 months' time, which will be in November next year. Barclaycard gave me this at 0% APR, so I'm not paying any interest. When my debt matures, I could either realize my gains on my investments to pay it off, or I can roll the debt forward using another 0% offer. In that case, I'm essentially using other people's money to pay off my debt. Ponzi scheme working in my favor. And just on a side note, because Vanquis is a subprime credit card, it's gonna take roughly 3 to 7 working days for the refund to arrive into your bank account. And I'll be honest, I did not receive my refund within those 7 working days. I waited 10 business days before calling them up again, and this is how it went.
Welcome to Vanquis Bank. How can I help?
So, I requested a credit balance refund 11 working days ago. Can you check if the refund has actually been processed?
Okay, so you want to check if your request was submitted?
Yes, because it's been 11 working days now, and I've been told it'll take 7 working days.
Yeah, of course. Okay, can I just get your full name, then your date of birth, please?
It's Clyde, and my date of birth is...
Thank you,
March. Let me check. Oh, so it was the refund, of course, you were requesting, is it?
That's right.
Because I see it was approved, and today is the last day when I'm calculating, because it normally takes 10 working days maximum. Today is the last day. Just gonna double check with the person who submitted it. Everything is still approved on their end. I still see the funds are here, but it says it was approved here on the 27th of May. So I'm just gonna double check with that person if they have any updates on their end.
Okay.
Any delays.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Thank you for holding the line for me.
Okay, yeah.
Mr. Clyde, I apologize about the long hold. So it seems like we did miss a day, but I will have to raise this with our finance team to check if there's any delays on their end. So I've just sent them an email, Mr. Clyde. They are normally quick with their feedback. Once I do receive it, I will definitely bring you straight back to let you know, Mr. Clyde. Okay?
Yeah, that would be lovely. After checking with this agent, he called me 3 days later confirming that their finance team did not see any pending refund transaction. They have seen that the refund has been approved, just not processed in a way where I'll be getting the money. So I had to go through the same security questions again and told him which bank account the refund should go to. He made my case a priority because I'd been waiting for more than 14 working days at that point. And lo and behold, 3 days later, I received the refund in my bank account, which I immediately deposited into my stocks and shares ISA with Robinhood. And currently, Robinhood is offering a 2% cash bonus on ISA deposits, which means they gave me free money, £50 in this case, because I deposited £2,500. While Bitcoin price is down and strategy is down with it, I took this opportunity to buy the dip. Overall, my experience with Vanquis, a subprime credit card, wasn't the best, but regardless, after following them up with another call, they were able to refund the money into my bank account. To avoid such delays, I recommend balance transferring into a more prominent credit card company, like Barclaycard, HSBC, or American Express, because they will most likely refund your money a lot sooner, 1 business day, based on my experience. And if you want to sign up with Robinhood and get that 2% cash bonus on your ISA deposits, feel free to use my referral link pinned in the comment below. And if you refer a friend also, you will literally get 5 free shares as a gift. It ends on September. Like and subscribe.